They call this a professional series and has a lot of neat features to it. You have the air fry, bake, broil, pizza, toast, bagels, and to keep warm. I really like the keep warm idea too. That sets it to 175 and keeps it for 30 seconds. You can also change and increase or decrease those things, time as well as temperature. So I think that's really cool. You have your start and your stop button, of course. Everything here works with the dial, which I really like the dial because it just kind of puts it to where you kind of need it to be. You can do your 12-inch pizzas in here, your frozen pizzas, which I like. You have your rack up here for your air fryer. You can do turkeys in here. Now, the only thing I would have suggested with this, there's no inside light. I really miss that. That's the only drawback I can really think to this fryer, air fryer, toaster oven, broiler. That's the only thing. Like when you open the door, there's no light. So you have to keep that in mind. The door works really nice. It's on the hinges. It seals up pretty well. I love the all stainless steel. It has big feet here, and you can easily get under your counters with that. See that? It has a lot of height there for that. So everything's kind of stainless steel, and everything that you could want with it comes with it. Even comes with a meat probe here if you're doing turkeys and things like that. I like to heat up frozen things and foods and stuff like that. And I made these hot wings. I said, oh, a little hot there. Let me find something to open that with. Slide this out and show it to you here. Just made some hot wings in here. That's what they look like. Some garlic wings and with some hot sauce on. Like I said, I wish going to the back that there was an oven light, also just to see if you're getting things dirty down underneath there. So let me just pull this out and I'll show you the rest of it here inside. Okay, I'm just going to set this on the top here of this. You have your traditional 2 burners there on the bottom and your traditional 2 burners up there on the top. Sometimes you see 3 up there, especially for like a broiler type thing, but this has 2 and 2. Has your slots here where you can change your rack positions, which is always really nice and handy. So you can fit up to like a 6-pound turkey in here, or chicken. Has a fan there that you see that disperses over here on the sides, and I'll show you the back as well. The back, I have to unplug it. Fits really nice under countertops as well. As you can see, it fits under my countertop right there. Has your little vents back here as well on this. So where your fan is here, it goes up, heat comes up, it goes out there as well. So really nice device, simple to use. I like that. I like working the dial and just hitting what I need or any adjustments that I need from that. Has a tinted glass, which is really nice, but like I said, without the light, that kind of makes it hard in a way. But that's the drawback, and other than that, cooks really well, heats really well, and great for frozen foods or making your own foods. So just wanted to show it to you, describe it to you, and have you take a look at it.